I still need a partner. Hold on, where'd they go? Who took my partner?
Hey guys, it's Matty Collins and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I just wanted to do a super quick 2-minute tutorial on the Final Cut plugin that was just released for the newest version, so 10.6, and how to quickly use it, how you can use it for memes and things like this to add humor to your videos. It works with titles, it works with effects, and I'm going to teach you guys how to face track, analyze the data, and then I'll also teach you guys how to invert the mask. So let's go. All right, so here we are in Final Cut and we have our clip. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to the titles menu. We're gonna type in basic. And we're just gonna find a basic title with no animation. Typically what we do is we just drag and drop it on the timeline. But with the new Final Cut, we are going to just click and hold. We can find an object, the background, or the subject's face. In this case, we use the subject's face. We can resize it. We can transform and move it around. And then we're going to analyze the data. Once the analyzing is complete, we can then go ahead and we dragged our title onto the face that was analyzed. So now we can play it back and you see that the title sticks to the subject's face. All right, last one, and this is really cool. We can now take our effects, and typically you would just drag it on the clip to add the effect. But what we're gonna do here, again, we're going to drag it to the actual clip. We can put it on the background, we can put it on the face, we can put it on an object. So let's try on the object really quick. Now you have a cartoon looking character, or we could go back to the face. We can reframe a little bit and resize. But what's really cool here, and if you go to your inspector tab, so open your inspector tab, go to your effects, and let's scroll down to find our comic cool effect, which is right here. And now we can look at our masks. So if we go to this icon here, go invert mask. Now when we analyze the data, it's still gonna lock in on that face. But the difference here is that the face is not going to have the effect on it, and everything around that face will. We'll see you in the next video. Matty out. Peace.